Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I am saying about the implementation of search algorithms. Let's see the first one, binary search. Let's see the program. And hash include isostorm using namespace std into binary search into r into I into 1 into r into x. If r less greater than is equals to 1 into mid is equals to 1 plus r minus 1 divided by 2. If r array mid is equals to x, return mid. If array mid is greater than x, return binary search array 1 mid minus 1 x. Return binary search array comma mid plus 1 comma r comma x. Return minus 1. And int main void int size cout. Enter the size of array in size int array size comma x. Cout. Please enter the elements in ascending order and 1. For int I is equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus. In greater than a array I. Cout. Enter the element to search in greater than x. And int n is equal to size of array 0. Int result is equal to binary search array comma 0 comma n minus 1 comma x. If result is equal to minus 1, cout element is not permanent in array less than and 1, else cout less than element less than x less than int is present at index less than result less than n1. Return 0. And let's run the program. Enter the size of the array 4 and please ascending in ascending order. Enter in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4 and enter the search 3. Element 3 is present at index 2. And let's see the second one, binary sequential search. And let's see the program. Hash include isostorm using namespace std int line search int array int size int key. For int I is equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus. If array I is equal to key, return I, return minus 1 int main int n search key block. Cout. Enter number of items in less than n int array n. Cout less than enter items less than n1. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus. In array I. Cout and enter number of items in n int array and cout enter items and 1 and I. For int I is equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus. In greater than array I. Cout enter search key to search in the list. In search key. If lock is equal to in search array comma n comma search key less than is equal to 0. Cout item found at location lock and 1, else cout item is not found in the list and 1. And let's run the program. Number of items 3. Item 3, 2, 1. Enter the 2. Item found at location 1. Thank you guys by watching my video.